Hey guys, welcome back. TK here at CES 2016, and I'm back here with IonVR. How have you guys been since the Android BBQ last time when we saw you guys?
Well, we've been working hard on iterating the headset, trying to improve it. It's a lot of work. We hope to get it out there soon.
So one of the things that you guys may or may not know is there's been a lot of development, a lot of new things coming up with IonVR. So please stay here with us. We're going to go ahead and talk a little bit more about IonVR and some of the new developments. Can you tell us a little bit more about what's going on with you guys and Intel as far as the IonVR headsets?
Well, we've been working with Intel to use their phablet that uses their new RealSense technology. It's actually a lot of cameras on the phone that it allows you to track the entire environment. So it gives you the possibility to really move around. You know, it's like unlike older mobile headsets where you could just, turn your head a bit. It will let you do everything. You can move backwards or forwards. You can up and down. It all works. It's like, if you're familiar with the older Tango tablets, it's like Tango on steroids.
Wow. I noticed in some of the demos that some of the people were showing, you were showing basically a representation of your full arm, your movement, you're able to interact with the environment. How has this basically enhanced some of the features, with usage in long term and people using it on there? Have you had any good feedback from users?
Yeah, it seems most people who have tried it are enthusiastic about it. Well, the possibilities that it opens. Yeah, it's generally been positive.
Definitely very exciting, the fact that there's no wires required. Basically everything is mounted and used directly with the Intel RealSense camera, which again, as Jorrit was explaining, the hardware itself looks very, very nice. It's very promising. It's an Intel-based Atom processor, obviously an Intel processor, since this is an Intel camera device with all the sensors and cameras. I'll show you guys a little bit real quick on this after, but definitely very exciting. Well, maybe we can see if we can have Dan from IonVR give us a quick demo.
Sure. Okay, so here we see Dan doing the drawing demo with the RealSense. You can see his hand. It's really what his hand is. The 3D cameras pick up his hand and it's displayed on the screen. But that's just one of the things you can do with the RealSense, because one of the it's just we use it for this demo. But what's really interesting is that the RealSense cameras let you move around. Like you can see Dan move backwards and forwards. So it's the real positioning of exactly where you are in 3D space without using like external cameras and external lights and reflectors. So that's all inside the phone, which makes it truly mobile.
And so you're currently using the Intel RealSense camera built into it. Do you guys have already made the modular attachment to work with that? Updated it since the last time we saw you guys?
Yeah, the front of the headset, it has a special front now specifically for this phone, because the Intel RealSense development phone that we're using, it has all the cameras and a line at the top. Mm-hmm. So if you've seen the old model, that will be exactly where the clamp is to hold your phone.
Exactly.
So if we use that, it would actually block one of the cameras. So we just made a different front, which really shows how easy it is when you have like a modular system. Then we can just very easily make these changes.
So as you guys saw right now, the actual demo itself is really very, very unique. I had a chance to play with the headset itself with the RealSense camera inside earlier today. It was just crazy. There's a lot of people here. I guess, what do you see the future? What's the next thing going on for you guys?
Well, for us, the next thing obviously is getting the headset actually out there as soon as possible. That'll probably be the end of Q1, maybe a little bit later. Well, that's where all our focus is right now.
So definitely keep it tuned here. We're definitely going to provide even more coverage here on XDA. Let us know in the comments what are some of the things, if you had a chance to come here at CES 2016 and try the hardware. If you see this and you still have the opportunity to come in, please check it out. It's right next to the Intel booth, right where you be able to go to the South Hall. Again, like and subscribe. Let us know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you very, very much for having us.
Yeah. Thanks for being here.
And we'll see you guys in the next one.